Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make the epic dalgona cookie from the Squid Game. So you need one spatula, one fork, some sugar, soda bicarbonate and butter paper on a tray. So first on the gas, obviously, and after that take some sugar in that spatula. Everyone have this spatula. Every Indian cooking household have such kind of spatula. And I'm just using an old spatula here, and you have to mix the sugar continuously and make sure that it doesn't get burnt or stick. So that's why you have to move your hands a little faster and stir it continuously. Once it starts to melt, you have to make sure that you mix everything properly and like nothing left out. Once it starts to melt, the process happens very quickly, so make sure that your hands movement are also very fast and not slow. And sorry for all the background noise. Once it melts, we have to put some soda into it, like the regular soda which we have, baking soda in our house. Make sure that you don't add too much of soda, otherwise the cookie will taste bitter. And add soda and the mixture gets turned into the creamish color, and then pour it on the butter paper or sheet, whichever you have. Make sure that you make it already so that you don't waste your time. I tried to flatten it using a bowl which I had in our house, but it was an epic failure and everything got stuck on that bowl. And I tried to fix it, but I couldn't. So I'm trying it for the second time. The same process which we did firstly, we're doing the same process, but this time with a little more care. Pour the mixture on the butter paper, and then I greased the bowl which I was going to use for flattening it up. So I greased it with oil and then I tried to flatten it up, and then it was good. It did its job. And now I'm using a simple nozzle like Indian people know how to do jugaad. After that, taking a needle and trying to remove out the circle. This process requires a lot of patience, so do it peacefully without any disturbance. I tried to do it for quite some time, like with utmost care, but I was too afraid to like break open, and because I didn't want to spoil it, like after so much of mehnat we did this and then breaking it, so I just gave up. And this is how the cookie looked from backside. And now my brother was saying that I will give it a try, so I said okay, you try it. And then he was giving it a try, mostly playing. And drilling holes on the cookie, which already had lot of holes. And yes, it got removed perfectly, and I'm so happy.